everyone and welcome to this tutorial on Stitch AI. In this video, we are going to explore Stitch AI, which is an innovative AI-powered design tool to transform your UI/UX design process. Whether you are a designer, developer, or just curious about the latest design automation, Stitch AI is here to revolutionize the way you work. We will dive into how Stitch AI works, from its ability to turn simple text descriptions into fully fledged UI components. And also, we want to learn how this technology also works. Now, if you want to learn more about this tool, watch this video till the end. But before we move on, just a quick info guys. Simplilearn has got advanced executive program in applied generative AI with a 2-day campus immersion at IIT Madras Research Park. You'll also get exposure to agentic AI and MCP framework, masterclasses by IITM and IIT's faculty or alumni. You will have starter support from IITM Pravartak Technologies Foundation, and also you are going to get certificate. This course is in collaboration with Microsoft Azure. So guys, hurry up now and join the course. The course link is mentioned in the description box. So let's get started. Imagine you're a designer who spends hours creating wireframes and user interfaces for apps, websites, or platforms. You use several design tools, but there are always that extra layer of complexity when it comes to integrating various components, ensuring consistency and optimizing your workflow. That automates the process of transforming your ideas into functional design. It uses advanced AI to generate, customize, and integrate user interfaces from text descriptions while also offering features like theme selection, Figma integration, and interactive chat to refine collaborative on designs seamlessly. It is an innovative tool that leverages the latest machine learning and natural language processing technology to make it stand out from the traditional UI tool. Unlike other tools like ChatGPT, which is primarily conversational and text-based, or Grok AI, which focuses more on data analysis and insights, Stitch AI is specifically designed to cater to UI platform where AI can be leveraged to create, modify, and automate UI design workflows, something that ChatGPT and Grok AI don't specialize in. While ChatGPT helps generate content or assists in coding tasks, Grok AI aids in understanding and interpreting data. Stitch AI is all about streamlining the design process, from creating initial layouts based on the description to fine-tuning every detail with AI-powered suggestions. Stitch AI is basically an AI-powered tool to help you assist in UI/UX design by automating tasks such as generating UI elements from plain text descriptions, integrating with design tools like Figma, and allowing real-time collaboration. That is the beauty of this tool. It is distinct from other tools, as I have told you, like from ChatGPT, Grok AI, and also the core function of this tool is to enhance and automate the design process rather than content generation or data analysis. Now let us look at some of the key features of this tool. First of all, you get theme selections. You get to choose from pre-designed themes to set a visual tone of your app or website. And Google has done an amazing job by creating this tool. You can customize the layout, colors, and typography to match your brand. The benefit is saves time by quickly picking a theme that works and customize it easily to reflect your unique style, eliminating the need to build from scratch. Then it has the Figma integration. So you can see all over here, you can seamlessly export your Stitch AI designs directly to Figma. And the benefit you get is you can collaborate effectively and make real-time updates. Designers can fine-tune UI elements in Figma, making the workflow seamless from concept to implementation. Then you get interactive chat. You can use an interactive chat interface to make design adjustments with simple text commands. And the benefit you get is that you can speed up the design process by making real-time changes without needing to manually adjust each element, making the tool accessible even for non-designers. You also get automatic UI design generation. You can transform simple text descriptions into a full-fledged UI components. For example, you can create a login page with a button and 2 input fields. With a button, you can also automate repetitive tasks. So this helps actually UI/UX designers to generate UI layouts quickly and efficiently. And this is especially valuable when you are working with tight deadlines or large volumes of designs. Imagine you are working on a new e-commerce platform. So you are hired as a UI UX designer. So you can use the Stitch AI to quickly generate landing pages, product showcases, and card designs without having to manually create every element from scratch. You have AI-powered adjustments and theme selections which help businesses create visually appealing designs in minutes. Best used is for startup and agencies that need to deliver multiple designs for clients can use Stitch AI's feature to generate new designs based on client preferences, saving significant time in prototyping stage. Stitch AI can streamline the design of mobile or web apps by automatically generating user interfaces and explore for collaboration, enabling faster app launches. Now, let us discuss the technology behind Stitch AI. So Stitch AI is actually powered by a combination of cutting-edge artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies that allow it to automate and simplify the UI UX design process. So the first technology is natural language processing. At the heart of Stitch AI is NLP, which allows the tool to understand and interpret text-based commands or description. You can transform text into UI designs. Users can provide simple text descriptions like create a login page with username, password field, and login button. This tool uses NLP to allow designers to interact with the system in a conversational way. Designers can type commands such as make the header font size 24 pixels and Stitch AI will adjust design accordingly. Stitch AI uses advanced NLP models which is built on top of pre-trained models like 2.5, GPT, and it is fine-tuned for design-related tasks. These models understand the semantics of the text and converts them into corresponding visual elements. Then it also has machine learning and generative models. Stitch AI uses machine learning algorithms to automate and improve various aspects of the design process. Some of the ways machine learning is applied includes design prediction and generation. Stitch AI can predict what design elements would work well together based on user input and historical data. It's able to generate UI elements, layouts, and even entire design templates based on trends and best practices. It has personalized recommendation. As users continue to interact with tool, Stitch AI reinforcement learning to learn their preferences and suggest design modifications that align with their style. I've also told you that it has Gemini 2.5 Pro AI model, which can understand high-level descriptions and generate complex functional UI designs. These models have been trained on vast amount of design data to understand what constitutes a good design. So how this tool works, guys? Basically, generative models in Stitch AI learn from large data sets of design elements, user behavior, and style guides. The AI makes decisions based on this data to suggest layouts, color schemes, and other design elements that are likely to be visually appealing and functional. Next, it has computer vision technology. So this technology enables Stitch AI to analyze visual data such as sketches, wireframes, and screenshots and convert these into structured UI components. You can sketch to UI transformations. Users can upload handwritten, drawn sketches or wireframes, and Stitch AI uses computer visions to recognize elements like buttons, input fields, and text areas. These elements are converted into editable UI components within the design tool. You also get visual references for AI models. Users can upload reference images or prototypes, and Stitch AI can analyze the visual elements in images and replicate similar components using its built-in design libraries. So basically, under the hood, it leverages deep learning and convolutional neural networks to process and identify patterns within the uploaded images. These models have been trained on corresponding components in the design. And then it has the Figma API integration. So I've already told you that you can easily integrate your designs from here to Figma. So once a design is generated by Stitch AI, it can be exported directly to Figma for further refinement or adjustments. And also you get real-time updates. So changes made in Stitch AI are automatically reflected in Figma also. So this helps in real-time updates and continuous collaboration between designers and developer because of this technology. Now, one of the best features Stitch AI has that it operates on cloud computing architecture. Stitch AI basically operates on cloud infra, enabling it to scale effectively based on user demands. And this architecture provides several advantages like high availability, scalable resources, and collaboration. So, under the hood, it uses cloud providers like Google Cloud or Microsoft Azure to handle heavy computational tasks such as training machine learning models and processing complex design inputs. Now, let us explore this tool. So, what you can do, you can click on Explore AI Free Now. So, just right click on this and you can see what you want to create. So, you get a prompt. So, let us say create a login, or we say create a registration and add submit button, and also add, let's say, Google, Twitter. We can also tell in blue and white and keep the buttons in, let's say, okay. So the technology it will be using is HTML plus CSS. So you have only 5 credits left. Definitely this is a paid tool. So if you want to know about this pricing, you just can right click all over there, but still we can use 5 credits for right now. Okay, so just click on this and let us see how it generates. Now let us see how it generates. Wow, so amazingly it has created it, and such a fast process. So you could see a Google OAuth sign in. What a beautiful tool. Now, similarly, you could do a lot of manipulation. You could design based on your requirement, and definitely this tool is going to help you a lot. And you could also see it is so amazingly like labeled, and the spacings are so correct. Okay, you can also tell, you can write the given prompt all over here to adjust these labels. So for example, I would say, let's say, make the labels a bit short, and what we could do, and keep the name in the middle. Let's wait for it. Okay, so it has done only for John Doe. So similarly, I can also say, so keep the input field and the name like your email, password, and now let's give it a prompt. Okay. So definitely you can manage your UI with the prompt, and it's so fast. And also amazing thing is you get the code also very much all over here. So the AI tools are taking the software development at a different level, and everything is becoming so automated. But don't think in the negative aspect that your role will be taken. There will be someone required to administer this tool, and that's where you come into the picture. So the productivity is will be expected more with the advent of this tool, and very amazing tool, guys. I'm really loving it. You could see how you can easily create UIs, and also you can easily integrate into Figma. Now let us discuss the pricing of this tool. So guys, for Pro version, it's around, for startups or small businesses, it's $10 per month. And if you see the Pro Max, maximum capacity for developer experts is $30 per month. Okay. Now, if you see monthly model, $12 per month, and for Pro Max is per month. And you get a lot of features, so it includes premium model, monthly limit 200, unlimited private projects, no daily usage limit, and etc. And also here you could see it has MCP support, early access to new features, SOTA model, monthly limit, okay, also coming soon. So this is actually created by DeepSight, guys, and this is a lot of new features you might also expect in the coming days. So guys, that was all about Stitch AI. I hope so you are going to explore this tool and you're going to love it. Definitely, it's going to help you improve your productivity and also help you in your day-to-day work as a UI UX designer. Thank you guys for watching this video.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.